Hello, hello children. Today we are reading Sound of A. Let's see. Sound of A E have AP app. This is called AP app. So words are CAP cap, LAP lap, MAP map, GAP gap, NAP nap, SAP sap, TAP tap, and ZAP zap. So the sound is long, like app, long sound. Now we are reading AG ag, BAG bag, NAG nag, TAG tag, SAG sag, WAG wag, RAG rag. Now we are reading AD ad, BAD bad. The sound is long. BAD bad, DAD dad, PAD pad, MAD mad, LAD lad, SAD sad. Okay children. Now the question is make words from given sounds. I am giving you the sound AP app. You have to make words like CAP cap, LAP lap, and some other words. Second one is AG ag. You have to make words like TAG tag, BAG bag, etc. And last one is AD ad. You have to make like BAD bad, SAD sad, DAD dad. So thank you children. That's all.